Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bjorn, and today we're making an Instant Pot wild rice pilaf. This pilaf is full of flavor and the perfect side dish to a lot of recipes. Start by rinsing 2 cups of wild rice blend really well in a rice strainer. Then add the rice to your Instant Pot. Next, add 1/4 cup of grated carrots, a 1/4 cup finely chopped bell pepper, a 1/4 cup finely chopped celery, a tablespoon of butter, a teaspoon finely chopped cilantro, a teaspoon all-bay seasoning, a teaspoon salt, a teaspoon dried basil, and a teaspoon pepper. Add a bay leaf and pour in 2.5 cups of chicken broth. Stir really well. Then secure the lid on the Instant Pot, close the vent, and pressure cook for 20 minutes. Let naturally release for 5 minutes before quick release. Let the pressure drop, and when it's safe to do so, remove the lid. Fluff up the rice using a rice paddle. And there it is, a delicious wild rice pilaf. What main dish do you prefer with your rice pilaf? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.